Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the sleep cycle app review in order to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The sleep cycle app stands out for its ease of use and solid sleep tracking features, smart alarm wake up, sleep stage graph, and snore curve monitoring, and the integration with the Apple Health, which makes it fantastic. Reviewers also said it's a smooth way to build awareness of sleep pattern without needing fancy wearable things. On the downside, accuracy isn't foolproof. Some users report weird sleep graph, mixed result, or battery drain overnight. So if you're willing to use it as a helpful tool, not a medical device, it's definitely worth considering. If you expect perfect accuracy or have serious sleep issues, you might want a more robust solution. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.